I hope you are fine. Today we will learn about odd and even.
Hello children, today we are going to explore on the topic of odd and even numbers. What is the meaning of odd and even numbers? Odd numbers means having one left over as a remainder, and even numbers means when divided by 2 will leave no remainder. Now let's have a look at this example to have a better understanding. Here are 4 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toys. These teddy bears can be paired into 2. And this octopus can be paired into 2 as well. Therefore, number 4 is an even number because it can be divided into 2 equal groups. Now, if I take out one of the octopus out, we are only left with 3 toys. 1, 2, 3. Now, we can still pair up the teddies into 2 in a group. But this will leave the octopus as a remainder of 1 because it does not have a partner. So, number 3 is an odd number because it cannot be divided into equal groups.
Please take out this file and turn to Mathematics booklet.
Hello children, you have seen the video just now about odd and even numbers. Now let's try to do some exercises to enhance your understanding. Please take out this booklet and turn to the page for the odd and even number exercises. Right. Read the instruction with me. Number 1, color the even numbers blue. Number 2, color the odd numbers yellow. So we are going to color even numbers in blue and odd numbers in yellow. Right? Okay, let's try. Let's take the first number, number 1. Number 1 is 1 an odd or even number. Look at this example. I only have 1 horse here. Now, can I divide this horse into 2 equal groups?
No.
No, you can't cut the horse into 2, so it remains as 1. 1 is an odd number. So, we will take yellow and color number 1 as yellow. Now, yellow means odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. 1 is odd number. Now, let's try this. Number 2. I'll put another toy animal here. This is a goat. Now, we have 2 animals on the table. Can they be paired up into 2 in a group?
Yes.
Yes. So, number 2 is an even number since it can be divided into 2 equal groups. This animal can be paired up, leaving no remainder of animal toys. So, Number 2 is an even number. Let's take blue color pencil and color number 2 in blue because 2 is an even number. Now let's look at number 3. Teacher will add another horse to this group of animals. We can pair up these two animals here, but it will leave this horse as a remainder of 1. When you have a remainder left over, this number is an odd number. Therefore, number 3 is an odd number. Let's color number 3 in yellow. 3 is an odd number because there will be 1 remainder left in the group. Now, let's look at number 4. I will add another animal, a donkey, into the group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 animals altogether. And we can divide 4 into 2 equal groups. There are 2 in group A and another 2 animals in group B. So number 4 is an even number. Let's color number 4 in blue. 4 is an even number. Good. Number 5. Let's add on another donkey into this group of animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can still pair up these 2 animals in a group. Another group over here. But this will leave this donkey as a remainder of 1. So when you have a remainder of 1, 5 is an odd number. Let's color number 5 in yellow. 5 is an odd number. Right, moving on. Number 6. I am going to add another horse. This horse will be paired with the donkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 animals, and each group are divided equally into a number of 2 animals in a group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There is no remainder of animals. Therefore, number 6 is an even number. Let's color number 6 in blue. 6 is an even number. This is number 7. I am going to add another donkey into this group of animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 animals all together. Now, if we were to divide these animals into a group of 2 in each group, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We will have 1 remainder of animal that does not have any partner. Therefore, number 7 is an odd number because it has 1 left over as a remainder. So number 7 is an odd number. Let's color it in yellow. Number 7 is an odd number. Right. Number 8. I am going to add another animal. This is a cow. The cow will join the group of animals and will be paired with the donkey. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 animals all together, and each group has been paired with 2 animals. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. There is no remainder of animal toy left in this group. Therefore, number 8 is an even number. Let's color number 8 in blue. 8 is an even number. Last, number 9. I am going to add a sheep into the group. Let's count total number of animals here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 animals all together. And we are going to pair the animal into a group of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are left with 1 remainder of animal that does not have any partner. Therefore, number 9 is an odd number. We'll take yellow color pencil and color number 9 in yellow. 9 is an odd number. Good job! Number 3, write the even numbers. So look at the flower here. All those that are colored in blue are even numbers. So let's write the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8 are all even numbers. Number 4, write the odd numbers. All the petals that are colored in yellow are odd numbers, including the middle part of the flower. So let's write the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. Okay children, let's turn to the next page. We are still on the topic of odd and even. There's an octopus on this page. What are we going to do? Let's read the instruction. Number 1, color the even numbers in purple. Even numbers in purple. Number 2, color the odd numbers green. Okay. This is going to be fun. Let's try together. Let's start with number 1. Just like just now, I have only 1 sheep on the table. Does it has a partner?
No.
No, it's by itself. So, number 1 is an odd number. Let's color the odd number green. So this is number 1. We are going to color this part, the tentacle of the octopus, in green. Number 1. 1 is an odd number. Right. Next, number 2. Let's add on a cow next to the sheep. Now, these two animals can be divided into 2 in a group. There is no remainder left of toys. Therefore, number 2 is an even number. So let's color even number in purple. Color the part here in purple. Number 2 is even number. Right. Let's try number 3. I'm going to add another sheep into the group of animals. 1, 2, 3. These animals here is grouped into 2 in a group. That will leave this sheep as a leftover of 1 remainder. Therefore, number 3 is an odd number. 3 odd. Let's color it in green. 3 is an odd number. Right. Number 4. Let's add on another animal to this group. Now this goat will be paired with the sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 animals all together, and we can pair the animals into 2 equal groups. There is no remainder left. Therefore, number 4 is an even number. Even number we are going to color in purple. 4 is an even number. Good. Next, number 5. Let's add on a donkey into the group of these animals over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 2 animals here are still grouped in a pair of 2 animals. 2 in a group, and that will leave this donkey all by itself. When you have a remainder of 1, the number is odd. 5 is an odd number. Let's take green and color number 5. 5 is an odd number. Moving on, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add one more animal, a horse, into the group and pair it with a donkey. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals, and we can pair all the animals into equal group of 2 in each group. There is no remainder of animal. Therefore, number 6 is an even number. Let's color number 6 with purple. 6 is an even number. Right. Moving on, after number 6 is number 7. Let's add on one more donkey into the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, everyone else has a partner leaving out this donkey as a remainder of 1. Therefore, 7 is an odd number. Take a green color pencil and color number 7 in green, as 7 is an odd number. Right, last but not least, number 8. Let's add on another horse into the group. And I am going to pair the horse with the donkey. Now, let's see how many animals we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 animals all together, and each animal had been paired equally into 2 in a group, leaving no remainder of animals. Therefore, 8 is an even number. Let's take purple color pencil and color number 8 in purple. 8 is an even number. This is a very colorful octopus. Right, interesting, isn't it? Number 3, write the even numbers. Now look at the picture here. Even numbers are all in purple. So, look for the purple tentacles, and the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers. Write the even numbers here. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Number 4. Write the odd numbers. Odd numbers are all in green. 1, 3, 5, and 7. Now let's write the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, and 7. Well done, children. Okay, let's turn to the last page on odd and even. Read the instruction with me. Color and count the flowers. Circle odd or even. ODD, odd. EVEN, even. I hope you still remember the exercises we did earlier. Odd numbers are numbers having 1 left over as a remainder. Even numbers are numbers when divided by 2 will leave no remainder. Now let's try the first picture. There are 3 flowers in the pot. We can pair these 2 flowers, 1 and 2, into a group of 2 in one group. Let's color this. I'm going to color the first group of flowers in pink. Oh, we have a remainder of 1 flower, and I'm going to color it yellow. So if we have 1 remainder, is it odd or even?
Odd.
odd. So I am going to circle the word odd. 3 is an odd number. Now let's try the second pot, flower pot. Let's count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. Let's pair up the flower into 2 in a group. This one is one group, and I am going to color these flowers in orange. And these flowers over here, 1, 2, I'm going to pair them up, and I am going to color the flowers in blue. Is there any remainder of flowers?
No.
No, there is no remainder of flowers. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, is it odd or even number?
Even number.
Yes, it is an even number. 4 is an even number. Now let's try this third flower pot. Let's see how many flowers do we have here. 1, 2. I am going to group these 2 flowers into a group of 2. And I am going to color these flowers in red. 1, 2. Now, is there any flowers left out as a remainder?
No.
No. So when you do not have any remainders, 2 is an odd or even number?
Even number.
Even number. Let's circle the word even. Right. Let's try the next one. Count how many flowers in the fourth flower pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to group the first 2 flowers in one group. Going to color them in a light beige color. Right. Second group, another 2 flowers. Pair them up together, and I am going to color these flowers green. Uh-oh, that will leave 1 flower as a remainder of the 5 flowers, and I am going to color it blue. Now, having 1 remainder left, does it make number 5 an odd or even number?
Odd number.
Yes, 5 is an odd number because we have a remainder of 1. Moving on, there is only 1 flower in this flower pot. So, if you only have 1 and you cannot pair it with another flower, it makes number 1 an odd number. Lastly, let's count the last flower pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. Now let's group the flowers into 2 in a group. 1, 2. So the first group, I am going to color the flower brown. The next group, I am going to color them in pink. 1, 2. And the third group, I am going to color them in orange. 1, 2. Pair them up. And let's color. Right. Is there any remainder of flowers?
No.
No. So 6, is it an odd or even number?
Even number.
Even number, because we do not have any remainder of flowers. I hope you understand odd and even, children. Hello, children. Now we will learn about time. Well, how do you know the time? Let's learn how to read the clock. The shorthand will show you the hour. If it moves to number 1, this is 1 o'clock. The shorthand will move around the clock. And let's say if it stops at number 5, this is 5 o'clock. Now why don't you give it a try? If the shorthand moves to number 8, what do you think is the time now?
8 o'clock.
Very good. It is 8 o'clock. And if it moves to number 11, what is the time now?
11 o'clock.
Very well. And if it goes straight up to number 12, what is the time now?
It's 12 o'clock.
It is 12 o'clock. Very well, children. Now, let's understand the longhand. The longhand will show you the minutes. From number 12 to number 1, there is 5 minutes. So if the longhand is showing at number 1, the time now is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12, 5 minutes. If the longhand keeps moving and it is showing number 2, what is the minutes? Let's count. We have to do counting in 5s. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minutes. So the time now is 12, 10 minutes. The longhand will keep moving to number 3. What is the minute now? Let's do counting in 5. 10, 11, 12,
13, 14,
15. So 15 minutes. The time now is 12, 15 minutes. It moves to number 4. 15, you do counting in 5s. 15 plus 5. Can you please count? 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So, at number 4, it is 20 minutes. Let's count. Add on another 5. 20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
we move to number 5 here. It is already 25 minutes. And we add on another 5. From 25,
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30. So the long arm will move here. It is already 30 minutes. So the short arm is showing
12.
how many minutes?
30 minutes.
So the clock is showing 12:30 minutes. If the shorthand moves to number 3 and the long hand is at number 6, the time now is 3:30. 3:30. Okay, children, why don't you give it a try? The short hand is now moving around the clock and it is stopping at number 8. What is the time now?
8:30.
Yes, 8:30. 8:30. Very good. If it is at number 10, What is the time now?
10:30 minutes.
Very good. 10:30. Very well, children. I hope you understand about time. Now, let's turn to this page and we are going to explore more on time. I hope you still remember how to read the clock based on the video that you have watched earlier. Okay, let's read the instruction. Draw the correct time. Draw the hands on each clock to express the time shown below it. This is the clock, the face of a clock, and this is the time that we are supposed to draw the hands. Now talking about the hands, do you still remember? The short hand is to show
Hours.
hour, good. And the long hand, it is to show the minute, very good. And don't forget the minutes attached to each clock. Remember, this is 5,
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
55. And when you come here, it is 60 minutes, which is equals to 1 hour. Right, now let's try and do this together. 10:30. 10:30. So, what is the time for this clock? It is 10:30 minutes. This shows the minutes, okay? So 10 o'clock, first look, you move the hour hand. Do we stop here?
No.
What time is this now?
5.
5 o'clock. We want to put it as 10 o'clock. 10, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, right?
Yes.
So we have to point to somewhere at 10 o'clock. Now, 30 here means 30 minutes. We are going to move the minutes hand. Do we stop here?
No.
No, this is
10.
10 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. 25 minutes. 30 minutes. Do we stop here?
Yes.
Yes. We stop at number 6 because it is equals to 30 minutes. Now, the hour hand will be somewhere near 10. 30 minutes. Take a ruler and we are going to draw the hour and minutes hands. Okay. Put a dot here. Now, our hand is shorter. You point somewhere at 10. Minutes is pointing at number
6.
Number 6, because at number 6 it is 30 minutes. Right? Now let's try this next question. What is the time shown here?
7. 45 minutes.
Yes, 7:45 minutes. So let's move the hour hand. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we stop here?
No.
No, we do not stop there. Where do we go now?
7.
5, 6, 7. 7, right?
Yes.
Because it's 7 o'clock. 7. Let's move the minute hand. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Do we stop here?
Yes.
Yes, we stop at 7:45. Long hand is showing 45 minutes. Short hand is showing 7 o'clock. 7:45. Now let's try and do here on this clock. Shorthand at 7 o'clock. Longhand showing minutes at 45 minutes. This is 7:45. Now let's try the next one. 9:15 minutes. Let's identify 9 o'clock first. Now, I'm going to move the shorthand. 8, 9. Does this show 9 o'clock?
Yes.
Yes. We are going to move the long hand to show 15 minutes. This long hand is showing 15 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. 9, 15 minutes. Let's transfer the information here on this clock. Shorthand is showing 9 o'clock. Longhand is showing the minutes and it is 15 minutes. 9:50. Last. What is the time shown here?
4 o'clock.
Yes, 4 o'clock sharp. That means we are going to move the shorthand first. 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Do we move the clock? Do we move the shorthand?
Yes.
Yes. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock sharp. So if 4 o'clock sharp, we are not going to move the minute hand. It is going to be pointing at number 12 or 60 minutes. 4 o'clock sharp. Now let's transfer the information here on this clock. Shorthand showing the hour 4 and minute hand is pointing straight up to number 12. This is 4 o'clock sharp. Good job, children.
Okay, children. Did you still remember about addition song that teacher already shared with you at school?
Yes.
Very good. Can we sing together?
Yes.
Alright. Now let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Very good, children.
Yes.
One more time.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, let's sing together. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Well done, children!
Yay.
Okay, children. Now let's continue from number 6 until 10. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. 7 plus 7 equal to 14. 8 plus 8 equal to 16. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 10 plus 10
10 equal to 20. Good, everyone.
Okay, children. Now let's sing together with teacher. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. 7 plus 7 equal to 14. 8 plus 8 equal to 16. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 10 plus 10 equal to 20.
Well done, children. Okay, let's turn to the next page. Today, we are going to do more exercises on addition. Do you still remember the symbol for addition?
Yes.
Good. Now, let me test your understanding. Is this the sign for addition? Or is this the sign for addition? Which one? The first one or the second one?
The first one.
Yes, this one. This is the sign for addition or plus. This is the sign for subtraction or minus. So now we are going to do the exercise for addition. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's count how many pencils are here in the first set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right. Number 6 in this box. What is this sign again?
Plus.
Plus. Okay, let's count how many pencils in the second set.
1, 2, 3.
3. Right, number 3 here. Now read the mathematical statement.
6 plus 3 equal.
Right. Now, let's count 6 plus 3. I am just going to use this toy animal to represent the numbers, okay? First, we take 6 toy animal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, how many do we have to add on?
3.
3 more toy animal. 1, 2, 3. So 6 plus 3 equals to, are we going to count all the number of toy animals?
Yes.
Yes. When we do addition, we are going to take the total of all the objects. So let's count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Up here, for this picture, is 6 plus 3 pencils equals to
9.
9. Right. Let's move this toy animal first and try the next question. Let's count how many objects here in the first set.
1, 2, 3.
Is this number 3?
No.
Uh-oh. It's okay if you make mistake. Don't cry. Just erase and write the correct one. So this is number 3. What is this sign?
Plus.
Plus. Now let's count how many objects here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So write 7 in this box. Now read the mathematical statement.
3 plus 7 equal.
Alright, now I'm just going to put the toy animal as a representative of the 3 objects. Count with me.
1, 2, 3,
3 plus how many?
7.
Now count 7 more animals.
1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So when we do addition, we are going to count the total of all the objects. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So 3 plus 7 equals to
10.
10. So let's write number 10 here as well. Because 3 plus 7 equals to 10. Good job. Now let's try number 3. Let's move the toy animal first. Count the object here in the first set.
1, 2.
2 trees. What is this symbol?
Plus.
Plus. Now count how many trees in the second set.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Read the mathematical statement.
2 plus 4 equal.
So first we take 2 toy animal.
1, 2.
Plus how many more?
4.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now when we do addition, we are going to count the total of all the objects. So let's count how many toy animals all together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So in total, we have 6 toy animals. So 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Let's write 6 on top here. Because it is the same as 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Right, let's try the last exercise. Let's move this toy animal first. Count the object in the first set.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's write number 4 here. What is this sign?
Plus.
Plus. Okay. Count this animal in the second set.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 as well. So read the mathematical statement.
4 plus 4 equal.
Right. So we'll take 4 toy animal.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 4 plus how many more?
4.
Another 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. So when we do addition, we are going to get the total of all the objects. So let's count how many toy animals we have all together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So mathematical statement, 4 plus 4 equals to
8.
8. Same answer on top here because 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Okay, let's turn to the next page. We are still on the topic of addition. What is the sign of addition? Is it this one or this one? Which one is the sign of addition? This one or this one?
The first one?
Yes, the first one. This is the symbol for addition. This is subtraction. Okay? So we are going to do addition. Now, count the object in the first set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What number do we write here?
6.
6. What is the symbol?
Plus.
Plus. How many objects do we have in the second set?
1, 2.
2. So, when we do addition, we are going to count the total of all the objects. 6 plus 2. Let's count how many we have together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So, 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Good job. Now, let's try number 6. Count the object in the first set.
1, 2.
Write number 2 here. What is this sign?
Plus.
Plus. count the object in the second set.
1, 2, 3.
Write number 3 in the second box. Now, let's count all together how many dogs do we have in this picture. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Good job. Right, number 5 here. Now read the mathematical statement. 2 plus 3 equals to
5.
5. Right. Can we try the next one? Count how many hats in the first set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Write number 9 in the first box. What is this symbol again?
Plus
Plus. Now how many hats in the second set?
1.
Only 1. Right, number 1 here. So when we do addition, we are going to get the total of all the objects. Can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So we have 10 hats here. Right, number 10. Now look at the mathematical statement. 9 plus 1 equals to
10.
10. Good job. Number 8. Right, so let's count how many objects we have in the first set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, right? Number 5 here. What is this sign again?
Plus
Plus. Count the object in the second set.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So, when we do addition, we are going to get the total of all the objects in both sets. So, we are going to count all the objects in total. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So, we're going to write number 9 here. And the mathematical statement will be 5 plus 4 equals to
9.
9. Well done, children.
Okay, children, that's it for today. See you soon. Bye.